Hello, welcome to my channel, 5 Minutes English Story Every Day. Today we are going to learn listening English through story. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing and educational stories. The Friendly Dragon. Once upon a time, there was a small village called Greenhill. The village was surrounded by tall mountains and green forests. People in Greenhill lived happily, but they were always afraid of a dragon that lived on the highest mountain. They believed the dragon was dangerous and would burn their homes. Parents told their children, never go near the mountain. One day, a curious girl named Mia decided to find out the truth. Mia was brave and kind. She loved helping others. What if the dragon is not scary? She thought. She packed some bread and water, put on her red cloak, and walked up the mountain. The path was steep and rocky. Mia walked for hours. Finally, she reached the top and saw a big cave. Her heart beat fast, but she took a deep breath and went inside. In the cave, Mia saw the dragon. It was huge, with shiny blue scales and big golden wings. But the dragon was not breathing fire. It was sitting in a corner, looking sad. "Hello, Mr. Dragon," Mia said softly. The dragon turned its head. "Who are you?" it asked in a deep voice. "I'm Mia. Why are you alone here?" The dragon sighed. "Everyone thinks I'm a monster. No one wants to be my friend." Mia felt sorry for the dragon. "I will be your friend," she said. The dragon's eyes lit up. "Really? But humans always run away from me." "Not me," Mia smiled. "Let's play a game." From that day, Mia visited the dragon every afternoon. She named him Blue because of his shiny scales. They played hide and seek in the cave, told stories, and laughed together. Blue showed Mia how he could fly, and Mia taught Blue how to count using pebbles. One night, a terrible storm hit Greenhill. Lightning struck a tree, and it fell into the river. The river water began to rise, flooding the village. People screamed, "We need help!" Mia ran to the mountain. "Blue, please help us," she shouted. Blue flew down immediately. "What can I do?" he asked. "Use your fire to burn the tree blocking the river." Blue flew to the river. With a gentle breath, he burned the tree into ashes. The water flowed freely again, and the village was saved. The villagers were amazed. "The dragon saved us," they cheered. Mia said, "Blue is kind. He just needed a friend." From that day, Blue became the village's protector. Children played with him, and adults brought him fresh fruit. Mia and Blue's friendship taught everyone that kindness can turn fear into love. Hope you enjoyed the story. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more stories like this. Thank you.